Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Saba Fashion Wardrobe. How are you? Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, showing latest, stylish, creative, simple and fancy nail art design. Hope so you enjoy my video like previous videos and get amazing creative ideas for your nail art. Because nail art is now become a part of fashion. In this video, add 20 plus trendy amazing nail art for party and wedding. I hope this video of mine will be very helpful for you for your nail art creation. If you like my video, then hit like, share with family and friends and subscribe my channel for more interesting fashion trend related videos. And click bell icon to get latest videos notification. Which nail art you like the most and which kind of videos you want to see. Comment me in comment section because your comment is valuable for me and give positive energy. Watch the video till end. Thanks, stay blessed, bye bye.